Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you an acupressure massage treatment that you can do for somebody at home who's suffering from pain from grinding their teeth. We're going to start with this point here. This is right at the base of the neck, and this is the Scm muscle, which is actually two muscles that connect your head to your clavicle or your shoulder area. And we're going to start by using the thumb to apply downward pressure along this very tight and can feel kind of like knotty under your thumb, this area here. So the constant, steady downward wiping pressure helps dissipate some of the tightness. Now this one can be extremely sore feeling. It's the same muscle belly, the two muscles, and you're going to take your hands and kind of grip from under the muscle, and you're just pushing. Try to push your thumb towards your finger. It can be kind of painful, but in a good sort of way. Now we're moving on to the upper shoulders. This is the highest point of the shoulder. And also we're applying steady downward pressure to help reduce some of the pain and tension in that area. Now we're moving into the actual Tmj joint right here. And it's where the mandible meets the jawline, and putting the thumb into that joint and massaging. Sliding down to the masseter muscle here. People who grind their teeth, often this muscle gets very enlarged. And if you notice I'm doing clockwise turns, it doesn't matter if you do clockwise or counterclockwise, just as long as the pressure stays consistent and steady. These points on the temple can also be very sore, so it's good to use your thumbs to break up the tension there. And I found another solution is to make sure that you address the underlying issues of what's causing you the stress before you go to bed. So some habits would be decreasing the amount of time you're looking at your computer, you're viewing in social media, politics, things like that can set off an alarm button right before you try to fall asleep. So to mitigate the tension and stress in your life. Some other external solutions could be adding magnesium before you fall asleep. I like to start with 250 milligrams of magnesium, and then you can build up to 400. The downside of magnesium is if you take too much, your stomach can be upset. Now I'm applying the Gua Sha tool. This tool, Gua Sha, literally translates to scraping and bruising. So be careful when you're doing it that you're understanding the tension that you're applying to the person you're working on. Your fingers can obviously feel, but this is a little bit more desensitized. The nice thing about this tool, though, is that you can cover greater areas with it, and you can go a little bit deeper. I'm using the contour of the tool to go along the neck to slide down that Scm muscle. And she reports that it feels really good. So I encourage you to give it a try. You can get this Gua Sha tool on Etsy. I tried to find one made in the USA and had trouble. Hey, if you're making Gua Sha tools, reach out to me. I want to buy one. I just want to say it's so lovely working with your family, putting your hands on them, applying the healing touch. It's got a mutually beneficial action. She enjoys it, I enjoy it. We're closer, help her reduce her stress, and it helps reduce mine as well, knowing that I can facilitate her healing. And just even if they're not grinding their teeth, feels this treatment is pretty fantastic regardless. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know if there's anything specific you'd like me to demonstrate, and be well. Many blessings. Have a great day.